Welcome students. Subject Mathematics Standard 8th. Content Part 2. Chapter number 16. Surface Area and Volume. Practice set 16.2. Points to remember. So student, let us recall some formulation measurement we studied in our lower class. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into in bracket L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Second, total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. First, cuboid. Look at the diagram. It is a cuboid. It is made up of 6 surfaces. Each surface is a rectangle. L denote length and B denote breadth and H denote the height here. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Therefore, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into in bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Cube. The figure here represents a cube. It is made up of 6 surfaces. Each surface is a square. All square are equal. If L is the length of the each edge of the cube, then volume of a cube is equal to side cube, that is equal to L into L into L is equal to L cube. Second, total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. Keynotes: curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to, the formula is 2 pi r h, and total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Practice set 16.2. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. Here they given the pi value is 3.14. So solution: diameter of the closed cylindrical drum is equal to 50 meter. Therefore, its radius r is equal to 25 centimeter. Its height h is equal to 45 centimeter. Now we want to find out total surface area of the closed cylindrical drum, that is equal to 2 pi r in bracket r plus h, that is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 25 into in bracket 25 plus 45. So 25 plus 45, when we add we will get 70, that is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 25 into 70. When we multiply we will get 10,990 centimeters square. Therefore, total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum is equal to 10,990 centimeters square is the answer. Find the area of base and radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Answer: curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 660 square centimeter. Here the given height is equal to 21 centimeter. We want to find out first curved surface area. So you know the formula: curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into 21 is equal to 660. Now 132 r is equal to 660, then r is equal to 660 upon 132. When we simplify we will get 5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle is equal to 5 centimeter, then area of base is equal to pi r square, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5. So when we simplify we will get 78.57 square centimeter. Therefore, area of a cylinder is equal to 78.57 square centimeter is the answer. Question number 4. Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 cm and height is 20 cm. Find the approximate area of the sheet required to make a lid of height 2 cm for this container. Answer: diameter is equal to 28 centimeter, radius is equal to 14 centimeter, height is equal to 20 centimeter. We want to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of the base, that is equal to area of the sheet. We want to find out the area of the sheet. So area of the sheet is equal to 2 pi RH plus area of the base is equal to pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus pi r square. Therefore, area of the sheet is equal to pi r common. So we will take out the pi r in bracket 2h plus r. Area of the sheet is equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 into in bracket 2 into 20 plus 14. So when we simplify, we will get area of the sheet is equal to 2376. Thus, area of the sheet required is equal to 3376 centimeter square. Now we want to find out area of sheet required to make a lid of height 2 centimeter will be. So area of the sheet is equal to 2 pi RH plus pi r square, that is equal to pi r common. So we will take out the pi r in bracket 2h plus r, that is equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 in bracket 2 into 2 plus 14, that is equal to 44 into 18, that is equal to 792 square centimeter. Thus area of the sheet used to make lid is 792 square centimeter is the answer. Thank you.